What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mr. Beast here, and today we're diving into the future of making money online, using AI to create and sell digital products. We're talking about building your own empire from the comfort of your couch. Let's go! First up, online courses. They are revolutionizing the way we learn and teach. Whether you're a whiz at photography, a coding ninja, or a master at any other skill, or you make the best sourdough bread in town, there's a place for you in the online teaching world. AI can help you structure lessons, generate content, and give feedback. Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you create engaging and effective courses. Platforms like Heights AI make it easier than ever to share your knowledge and cash in on that expertise. With AI by your side, teaching the world has never been more accessible or rewarding. Next, digital art. Imagine transforming your wildest ideas into stunning visuals with just a few clicks. AI-powered tools can transform your ideas into stunning visuals, making the creative process faster and more accessible than ever before, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. Platforms like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and other innovative software and DALL-E are like magic wands for your creativity. They allow you to experiment and bring your visions to life effortlessly. Sell these digital creations as prints, showcasing your unique style to the world, merchandise, or even NFTs. The possibilities are endless when you combine your imagination with AI technology. Bookworms, this one's for you. Ever dreamed of writing your own bestseller? AI tools like ChatGPT can help you draft compelling content, brainstorm ideas, and proofread your work. Whether it's sci-fi, romance, or self-help, AI can help you turn those stories into digital gold mines. Templates, mock-ups, logos, virtual backgrounds. AI can help you create professional-looking designs in a snap. Platforms like Looka give you everything you need to launch a successful design side hustle. Want to build a thriving online community? AI can be your secret weapon. Platforms like Discord and Facebook groups can connect people with shared interests, and AI tools like ChatGPT can help you generate engaging content and keep the community buzzing. Membership sites. Imagine having exclusive content, courses, and a community of loyal subscribers, all generating passive income for you. AI can help you create digital products, manage content, and even provide customer support. Music and sound effects. AI can help you create professional quality audio without breaking the bank. Platforms like SoundRaw generate unique, royalty-free music tailored to your needs. Sell these tracks, use them in your projects, or release your own AI-powered album. So there you have it, folks. We've explored some incredible ways to leverage AI for your digital business. 7 innovative methods to use AI to create and sell digital products that can revolutionize your business. The future is here, and it's packed with endless opportunities to turn your passions into profits. Imagine the possibilities with AI at your fingertips. Drop a like, subscribe for more awesome content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and keep innovating.